Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp not downloading photos and videos from chats on iPhone gallery. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all enable save to camera roll settings on WhatsApp. So for this, open WhatsApp here, go to the settings option, tap on chats. So here is a save to camera roll option. So simply turn on the save to camera roll option settings. So photos, tap on sorry tap on all photos here. So after turning this on, go back, and then after this the next solution is grant storage permission on your iPhone. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on privacy and security, tap on sorry scroll down, tap on photos. So find WhatsApp here, tap on WhatsApp. So guys, if this option is unknown, so simply tap the all of photos option. So after this, the next solution is set and correct the date and time on your iPhone. So for this, go to settings, tap on general, tap on date and time. So simply correct your date and time, and then after this the next solution is update your WhatsApp app. So for this, open App Store, search App Store here, search WhatsApp here. So tap on WhatsApp. So guys, update your WhatsApp app if the WhatsApp update is available. So guys, and then after this the next solution is update your iOS version. So for this, go to settings, tap on general, tap on software update. So wait for checking for a bit. So guys, if you have available any update on your iPhone, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.